1, 2,
2,
3, go! Ooh, look at that little dude. Is that fun?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, I got the sled. Come on. You get up here. Oh. That's it. You just climb up here. Okay. Okay, ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Oh, try it again. You gotta sit in the middle. Do it over. I got other gloves. You want to put them on? Okay, bring this. I'll get the sled for you. Come on up.